that not only won it back, but found the eye of the needle with a pass. And the Zulu Kingdom Legends open the scoring in the best way possible. Wayward pass, great movement. Waited and waited to Buckley. Passed it just in the nick of time. Flag stays down. Kept his composure. The Prize Moon. And it's the men from the Kingdom of the Zulu take the lead here. Can they find that equalizer? The cut back! Oh, it's off the underside of the bar. Oh, my daughter. Well, it's the Zulunyani. He's had two glorious opportunities, and it just won't go in for him. Lovely play on the left. And it's got goal written all over it. And in the end, it's just Asa for Kaizer Chiefs. So close, but yet so far. Tusopala, perfect with the cutback. It's the second time he set it up beautifully from the left side. Well, penalty is the Aqualia from the referee. He's saying there's forces at work. From the penalty spot, there's your equalizer. No denying, Cyril Nzama. And finally, Chiefs get the equalizer. Yeah, remember that celebration. And yes, they get that feeling in their bones once again, those out in the stands. They'll be hoping to get it a good number of times, not just today, but over the next 10 or so months. Cyril Nzama wearing the captain's armband. That's how you take a penalty. Global guess right, but was no denying a man who played for Kaizer Chiefs from what, 2000 till 2008.
Mais che bella Charlotte scoppa Hoya Charlotte scoppa le kawana lamkhize kena go tsankhile a re bone wa ya ka go yona ba ya tlanya le letloa aba ya tlanya le letloa no ya tla ya scoppa sa Zulu Kingdom Legends 1, Kaizer Chiefs not. Hoya Chiefs, Sizwe.
Now, Kuzayo beaten here in what was an ankle cracker. Looked to go right, penalty went left. Couldn't make the adjustment in the end. So, here's Shaba. What a game he had. Amongst the best in the field on the day. He looked like he could still play at the top level. That's what we've seen today. Couldn't get the beating of Ndlovu in normal time. No problems in getting the better of him from the penalty spot. So, good start here for both sides in the way of this penalty shootout. Both Ndlovu and Brilliant Kuzwayo beaten by, well, taken penalties from Kaizer first and Shaba in making it 1-1.
Hoya Chalo, KwaZulu Natal, Kibone Bagotsan Chalo, Tagoya Bobedi. Kibone Babagotsan Chalo, Tagoya Bobedi, Copas, KwaZulu Natal. Lebella Chalo, Tando Ise Kuboni, Keno Yanko Kilineo. Tando Ise Kuboni, Keno Yanko Kilineo. Lebagana Chalo, Le Brilliant Kuzwayo. Yolena Tomo Profensinya KwaZulu Natal, Fela Territory of Tamigala Chiefs, Abata Kino, Ebita Kota. Fela, Ona Tamigile Bonte, Ona Rakile Kabotali, Atoka Lesero. Lekawana La Tandoise Kuboni. Chiefs, Barota, Taro, Yabone Abobedi. Banaletono, Yakodira Chalo, 2-1. Sizwe.
Kuzwayo didn't have to make the save, but Kuzwayo celebrates in the hope that after Lithuania is done and dusted. Chiefs will continue to celebrate. 3 penalties apiece, keep in mind here. Shaba had no problem in getting things started for Kaizer Chiefs. He was outstanding. In off the bench was equally as outstanding, and from the spot buries it beyond Lovia as Kaizer Chiefs grab the lead. And well, as a celebration we grew so used to over the years from Lithuaniani. He's another that looks as though he could still step up with the very best of them and strut his stuff at a pretty high level. I'll be hoping the good times are back. He's still celebrating his goal, is Zulu Zama. Ziawa.
Aribone Javed Zwani Kenya Rotanjalo Tagoya Skopasa KwaZulu Natal. Waya Javed Abakita Bayatanya Lilitoa. Abayatanya Lilitoa Fela Chiefs Banali Siamelo. Bayagota Kila Bone Aboraro. Media Likalikana Javed Zwani. Anosa Kilente Karalemogaro Basisi Banali. Kaisi Balibali Moko Choneti Hotel Akahone. Skopa se Tatabatamike ba Bamontatila Rompiano. Hoya Jalo Kaizer Chiefs. Hoya Justa Tata.
Had a 100% record up to this point. That with a chance to settle it. Up against Lovu. It's just at that bottom corner. And it's the Kaizer Chiefs Legends that get the better of the Zulu Kingdom Legends with a 3-2 scoreline. Perfect penalties from Shabalala, Lithuaniani, and Ladla, and Lucas Khatebe. With plenty of reason to smile here. And an enjoyable start to what they'll be hoping is a day that sets the tone for the rest of the season in as far as the Glamour Boys of Zanzi football. Well, the major show, the men that have a showdown later on worth the eyes of the continent watching every step of the way. After it ended with a 1-1 scoreline, it's Kaizer Chiefs that have the beating of Zulu Kingdom Legends with a penalty scoreline of 3-2. Lada kept his composure, and in the end, no problems then in handing the Chiefs Legends the win, and they'll hope to keep the good times rolling here this afternoon, and hopes that the Chiefs can do likewise in their efforts against the men from Ghana later on in the day.
For your soccer updates, visit www.ngo2010sharpi.com.